Hello, you're looking at an ACS 15 cubic foot filter press brought to you by Lanco. This is an 800 millimeter plate press. There are a total of 30 plates. These are gasketed plates. This press does have new plumbing and valves. It's been totally refurbished, tested, in excellent condition. Overall dimensions on this filter press are 168 inches long, 55 inches wide, 100 inches high. Once again, this is a 15 cubic foot ACS filter press brought to you by Lanco. Look at the hydraulic package in here. In very good condition. This does have a rebuilt cylinder as well. Max hydraulic pressure is 4,500 psi. This does have a plate shifter. And we'll now operate it for you. Now closing the plate pack. Once again, these are 800 millimeter plates. These all will need new gaskets and filter cloths. Filter cloths are based on your process and specs required for your filtration needs. Gap is closing now. If you're interested in a filter press, any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.